Alright, update on Elon. We are seeing continuation out of this bullish pennant that we are talking about. Let's talk about everything that's going on today. There is a few things we need to talk about, so let's jump right into the video. Starting off, let's jump into the macro time frame and we will work our way down. In terms of, you know, the furthest we can zoom out on the daily, we've got our 0.5 Fibonacci here. Now, we've talked about this a few times. We talked about it when we got a rejection from it quite recently on the 20th. This was only 5 days ago. We had a rejection. We are now pushing back above it again. I really want to see continuation above 1169. Also, 1169, have you guys noticed anything in the past couple of days? Elon squad, we've deleted another zero. Come on, boys, we're taking out another zero. Until the next zero, let's keep on pumping. I mean, Elon looks great to me, in my opinion. This is one of my favorite dog coins. And, you know, I have been accumulating it for quite a while, so it is good to see this pump. Obviously, I do talk about, you know, what cryptos I hold. If I do cover a crypto and I do hold it, like I said, I will say, just to be transparent, that I do hold it. We are pumping above the 0.5. We are looking very good, in my opinion. Coming over to our slightly less macro indicators, but still very, very macro. If we look at the squeeze mom, look at this first day we've had on the squeeze mom. I mean, we haven't had a first day like this on the squeeze bomb since back here, and you know, this was a top, to be fair. So but we came into the EMA ribbons and got rejection. On this time, we're above the EMA ribbons. We even back tested them today. So, you know, while Bitcoin was dumping today, this dump allowed Elon to come all the way down to our short-term moving average on the daily time frame, and we retested it as support again, and we're starting to head up. We're not seeing we are seeing a pretty decent amount of volume, to be fair. If I zoom out, you can definitely notice these candles around here a lot more than these ones around in this plethora of candles in the middle. So, you know, the higher time frames, they are looking exceptionally good. If we come over to the weekly, probably the most macro indicator that we've got right now, the weekly squeeze mom is once again having a flip. I talked about this in my last video. Don't want to go too much in depth on it, but we've already seen continuation. Since this fired, we were down here at 698. We've almost doubled since this, and we have not even reached green. In my opinion, something like this is going to happen, and we're going to see, you know, a rally potentially into Q3 or Q4 of this year. I think the dog coins are going to lead the rally, and you might be thinking, you know, why on earth would the dog coins lead the rally? Well, you know, come over to what Dogecoin's doing right now. Dogecoin's up 25% today. If we look at the right side of my screen, look at all the cryptos I cover. I can't even find, you know, Elon's up 15%, so, you know, fair enough, Elon's doing great as well. But no one is doing it like Dogecoin right now. The dogs are leading the rally, and, you know, I said this in my Dogecoin video. I feel like I'm slightly underexposed to Dogecoin right now. However, I'm waiting for a break of the 200-day. I don't want to get into the Dogecoin analysis. However, Elon is looking great, and while Dogecoin is up 25% today, Dogecoin is not up, you know, 50% in the past week, which Elon is. I'm a much bigger bull on Elon. I think it has a lot more potential to tear faces. So once again, hopping into the lower time frames, as we've covered all of our macro indicators. Let me know if you prefer this kind of format. I feel like it might save time, and it might just be easier to go through this way. I think, you know, starting off with the higher indicators, for example, you know, focusing on the weekly, focusing on our higher fib timeframes, then focusing on our big macro market momentum shifts, then focusing on, you know, our daily market momentum shifts, and then hopping in to what's been going on in the past week or the past, you know, couple of days or so. So let me know if you like this format where I go through everything kind of categorically like this in chronological order. But anyway, let's continue with the analysis. So we've come down, back tested the short-term moving average, broken out of this bullish pennant. I mean, we're above everything that we need to be above right now. You know, this 618, this double 618 was the most important level. The 0.5 up here was the second most important level. Do you guys want to know what the third most important level is? Are you ready? It's the 618. It's all the way up here. It's at 1852. We are absolutely miles away. Once again, you know, we've been talking about this for a little while now. I've been predicting this. I've been predicting once we do get above the 0.5 Fibonacci, that we're going to have a 57% rally. In fact, we were talking about this when we were down here at the 618. We just moved it up since we did come up to here. And, you know, we were talking about this macro market momentum shift, how the last time the daily squeeze bomb fired bullish, we fired a 71% increase. You know, we haven't had that yet. We're still pumping. We've still got a lot to go, in my opinion. Now, what is the breakout target of this bullish pennant? Well, let me see. We've got two lines here. Let me get rid of this. Make sure this is the pennant breakout. So I draw from this low. Oh yeah, I guess this is the wick up here. So yeah, this red thing here, this was your breakout target. So the breakout target is approximately, this is a big move, 45%. We're already up 23%. In my opinion, we have approximately, I could honestly see Elon, you know, DogelonMars going up another 20%, maybe today. If not today, maybe that is a little bit too bullish, maybe tomorrow or the next day after that. I do think Elon is seeing continuation. I really don't see how Elon wouldn't get continuation while Bitcoin has confirmed that this was our bottom. If you are interested in my Bitcoin video, I have posted a Bitcoin video already today, but I will be posting another one at the end of the day. So if you want to know my opinions on the Bitcoin market and how that will affect the altcoins, go check out my video that I did this morning or the one I'll upload later. So that's pretty much everything for Elon. Once again, we're having huge market momentum shifts. The daily is starting to fire up. I don't think we've looked at the 4 hour, but on the 4 hour, we're having a huge increase in volume. You know, the last 4 hour, we had a big pump. Do bear in mind, this has only been open for an hour or so, and this is already okay. I don't want to say it's like great, but bear in mind, we've got another 3 hours to, you know, make this a little bit bigger. Continuation is happening on the 4 hourly squeeze bomb. We retested the 4 hourly EMAs, which is perfect, you know, breakout of this bullish pennant. Slight rise up, came back down, back tested both the previous, you know, if you want to consider, you know, obviously this wouldn't be a horizontal resistance, but we back tested the breakout level just a little bit further on down the line. We also then moved up, confirmed that these 4 hourly EMA ribbons are support, and now we're heading off to the races. Honestly, I don't think there's a single bearish thing I can talk about going on for Elon right now. We are experiencing a huge market momentum shift. I believe Elon is going to do a 20 to 25x in this cycle. I believe, you know, I said 25x a while ago, so maybe I'll need to recheck the market cap. I believe it's 400 million. Honestly, I could easily see Elon going up to, you know, like 10 billion within this market cycle. So if we did a 20x, I mean, yeah, we could easily do that. 400, if we see 25, I honestly think this is very likely. I still think 25x is on the table for Dogecoin, or Dogelon, sorry. I've been covering all the dog coins today. But nonetheless, you know, the dog coins are looking great. Elon is coming for Doge. That is all I can say. Doge is the winner today, leading the Dogecoin rally, but Elon is looking very good in my opinion. Once again, the breakout target of the pennant is up here at 1386. We've got about another 20% or so to go. I'm not bothered about that. I have my eyes on the big daddy, the 618 up here. 58% increase from where we are. Let me know what you think of that. That is all I've got for you today for Elon. As always, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion on the market. And for those who stayed to the end of the video, I've been creating the Cowboy Discord. So if any of you want to get in on the Discord a day or so early before I do announce it on my YouTube videos, shoot me a DM on my Twitter. Go on my YouTube page that you're already on, click on my profile, and you will see that my Twitter and Instagram are linked. I'm much more active on Twitter. Shoot me a DM on Twitter if you want an early invite for that, and I will bless you guys. That is all I've got for you today. As always, Cowboy out, not financial advice. And as always, peace.